Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And that should be like this. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we just concentrate on this one. Now we have the second formula in here. Capital 8, that is about this one. Capital B, that is about BS. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, I will put S go in this way. So when s approaches to positive infinity, a divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. Fn of number 1, we have number 0. This one, we have number 0. So this is about 0 over 0. And we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative of this one, and we have like this. Next, we need to simplify negative 1 over x squared on numerator and denominator. So we have AB in here. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. And now we have AB. Now we need to go back in here. So the value of this limit equals to AB. So the value of this limit equals to e to the power of AB. This is the end. Thank you for watching.